Good morning. I am Alok Kumar, student in Galgutia College of Engineering and Technology. Today we will describe about the PPT presentation for in topic we can covered by the growth of YouTube. What growth? What growth in YouTube from 2005 to 2006 and more or less for 2005 to 2025. Then we will cover first that is introduction of YouTube. Second, we will cover your growth of YouTube in 2005 to 2006. Next we will cover Google acquisition in 2005 to 2000. Google acquired a Google acquisition in 2006. Then we will cover we, then we will cover uploadation and contents, and then we move on next topic, that is business model and ad revenue. Noted revenue and business model in YouTube and influence and reach today and conclusion, that will be all covered in my today's PPT. That we will first, what they YouTube, why making YouTube, they they are most, why we need YouTube, and why think, what our thing from YouTube, and that are useful for many of the persons. Why does things from all persons from YouTube? Then that thing from three persons, three persons are ex-employee of, that three persons are ex-employee of, that three persons are ex-employee of the founded by the this YouTube software at a software company, ex-employee of PayPal, that is Harry, Steve, and Javed Karim, that the persons are making from this software, and some people are making them, but many are three founders, and they make a company, and they are rejection for the PayPal, and they found in our company, and they have third large most website from first is Google, and next is second is Facebook. That position are referred to the third position, that YouTube are making from the video sharing company. From our knowledge or thought, we easily record and share for the apps. That is simple fundamental of the YouTube. And next, what growth is 2005 to 2006. They are early growth are hardly or not achieve in millions or billions. That is but more sufficient for the YouTube. That is 2005 have 500 videos and gain 30,000 views in per days. That is best of the first software companies from the short term, that is 2005, that has easily everywhere not present in a system that seen at a second. And 2006 growth has 5 500 at 500 videos are daily uploaded, 500 minute are video uploaded, 500 hours video are uploaded in per minute, and they reach $100 millions views in 2006. That is big number of the any software company, because they are rapid growth of the YouTube. But then now Google acquire Google acquired YouTube in 2006 for $1.67 billion. That and that is the purpose of from the growing of the YouTube, because they have need some money from the growing of any software company from long term sustain. And Google are have all form of content present in Google, that is most of the text form, but they have not present in video form, or that need form, that need for video, because future is imagination, and that from the scene level, not in reading. That is, they are think from Google, and they acquire YouTube, and most things they joy, they are persons not sustain more because that is some money, but that is the free, that are no revenue in this system, but they apply from the revenue system from the different types. At present time, YouTube are different types. That if a make software company, if a make software company that in need in what content upload in YouTube, that is at a period 2012, 0.8 billion views crossed in 2012, and 0.8 billion users acquired acquired, that my means present in YouTube from 2012, and at the present time 2025 they are five, some many of the 2.17 billion views are per month or per day. That is big number of the any software company. That is the largest company of the world from the video form sharing, and at a video, at a long form of video sharing company, and they are 95% gun peoples or in country are viewed in YouTube. Now next is we will cover next we will cover continuation and the revenue and business model of YouTube. The main business model of YouTube that earn from ad revenue and advertisement, they are, and they are gives subscription for plan of the without advertising you will see a video. That is different kind of uh, where is a student plan, family plan, and individual plan, business plan. That is all type of plans present in YouTube. If you purchase them, see YouTube ad free and background play. That is features of YouTube, and that is big achievement of YouTube. That Google has many have sorry, Google have made have ad revenue, and they have $31 billion in 2023 cross, that is $36 billion ad they revenue gain from 2024. That is big number of ad revenue on the whole world. That is source earning man. That is the business model. And ad revenue is 23 at 31 billion, and 24 is 36 billion only for ad revenue, and users for premium memberships and so on. That is every type of purchase form channel members premium, they will send any thanks or different kinds of they are cut from the YouTube some monies. And next, what reach and influence today? The YouTube are reach and influence. They are YouTube have is a global giant that is present in maximum countries, and they are every hour seen hours of videos in per second per minute that since many of the videos if we count and different such scenes every minute, and it is a global giant and influenced by we discussed about this 95% of the people in YouTube that is big on whole world, that is big number of the video sharing companies that achieve from the whole world have at a single app using that is whole. And next we will conclude all this topic where YouTube growth, that is sorry, conclude that they are many of the app they not achieve this number, but they Google or some strategies and some different kind YouTube grow every day. That is every day add on new features from YouTube, and different channel members are different features and users are different feature, and more on this everywhere are different features in present in YouTube that what you use, and they are most common result that is we are easily seen from the YouTubes for completely free. They are not any cost pay on YouTube if we not need any membership, then we easily see YouTube videos. And if you add a economist on research from American sorry, where video is not present in YouTube, that there is no existence of YouTube in video form. That is the this is part about this. I don't know. Thank you.